Firefox is reviving progressive web apps. So this comes from the TechLore forums, and it comes from a video that a user shared, and they provided links and everything. I'm going to go ahead and quote the relevant part. Basically, this came from a post from a product manager at Firefox, and they said, as the Firefox leadership team mentioned in the Reddit AMA last week, we're taking a fresh look at PWAs, which have long been a top request from our Mozilla Connect community. And then he basically outlines how they are hoping to implement PWAs. I mean, this is Mozilla, and for the record, this is not my anti-Mozilla soapbox. I'm just stating a fact. This sounds very early. This sounds like they haven't maybe fully committed, but they're like, maybe this is something we want to invest in. So hopefully they will, because Firefox has definitely not been getting the love and care that it needs in the past few years. It is definitely lacking when it comes to competing with other browsers like Brave and Vivaldi and Chrome. So I really hope that they will go ahead and do this.
I think that this would be really cool to see. I know I don't want to get excited for it yet because it's like a pre-announcement. So, I mean, it's still got a ways, but if Firefox does eventually get formal progressive web app support, I know everyone always comes at me and goes, Henry, you can install this extension and get web apps, and you can use this Firefox fork that adds it in. And it's like, guys, no, can we just...
I shouldn't have to do that.
We shouldn't have to do that. Web apps are literally supported on every browser, even Safari on iOS. Like, just to really highlight how ridiculous even a limited browser can do this. And even Safari now on macOS has it. Like, everyone is moving towards web apps, and Firefox to just act like they shouldn't have web apps, I think is a bad thing. I think even if you're a Firefox supporter, you should realize that it's just one more selling point to keep people away from Firefox, and it's one more piece of ammunition that people have when they say, see, Firefox, you know, was at its prime 10 years ago. They don't even support web apps. God, like, anyway, I think this is exciting. I really want to see it. I hope Firefox does it. I think it would be really good, not just for users, but for Firefox. So I would love to see this happen.
You just watched a clip from our main podcast, Surveillance Report, where we talk about privacy and security news every single week to keep you all updated on the newest threats and how to prevent them from happening to you. If you want to learn more and stay updated, check it out here on the screen or in the description. And there's also an audio-only version that you can also find down in the description. We'll see you there. Thanks for watching.